Heading up towards the Eisenhower Tunnel. I'm going elk hunting. This is my 18th straight year Colorado elk hunting. Exciting to see the big horde of sheep. That's the state animal of Colorado, right along I-70. Man, just look at the snow-capped mountains. Every year, doesn't matter what's going on, doesn't matter what mood I'm in, I'm getting up really close to my hunting grounds. Elk fever kicking in. Say hello to Colorado's western slope, the west side of the Continental Divide. Look at that. Snow this year, baby. After 4 years of hot, really hot, unseasonably warm, borderline disgusting, dry weather, elk season. It looks like I'm gonna get a little bit of snow this year. All right, I'm with my friend Steve. We're hiking up the mountain here, and Steve we both have elk tags, either sex, but Steve also has a bear tag. I've never seen a bear on this mountain ever in like 14 years, but look what we just saw. Bear tracks, look at that. Well, here I am filtering water on the mountain. The spring where we usually filter our water was dry this year, so I had to walk about 150 yards up the drainage, but I found water. Fill up the Nalgene bottle. Fill up my hydration bladder, and that's where the drinking water comes from. Just that teeny little pocket of water right there. Nothing comes easy in elk country. A lot of elk this morning. I couldn't get a shot. Same with Steve. Steve saw a massive bull. I saw 1 or 2 massive bulls. Lots of cows. Couldn't get shots off, but whew. .4:26 p.m. opening day. No elk yet, although plenty of signs. I'm smelling them everywhere. I'm seeing more tracks than I've ever seen. Steve, who didn't see a single elk last year, has seen over 20. I saw a herd this morning of over 20 and a group of 3. I just found my entry to the world's smallest antler shed contest. I just shot a cow at 127 yards. I saw her fall. After I shot her, stinking bull walked out. And I could have actually shot the bull. The bull stood broadside at 127 yards. Praise the Lord, and passed the elk. 127 yards, one shot. And after I shot her,
a bull was there. A bull and a bunch of other cows. There was a herd. Could have got a broadside shot on a bull, but the cow was down. Praise the Lord, and past the elk. I got to get to work. Shout out to my buddy Nick with Endure Survival Kits. He hooked me up with some of their survival kits last year. These dandy saws made in Cody, Wyoming. The bomb. And of course, that's the bull elk right there that I could have got if I knew there was a whole herd of elk. I don't know if you can see it or not. There's eyes over there. It looks like a mountain lion's trying to come up on the hillside here. We thought it might have been a coyote at first, but the size looks more like a mountain lion right there. There's the eyeballs. Mountain lion here that's trying to move in on our kill site. So Steve's gonna try to fire a round off. It's a mountain lion. He's coming in close. Here we go. There's eyeballs again. He's laying low. He's ready to pounce. There he is. There he is. Okay, here we go, guys. Steve's gonna fire a warning round in a second. There we go. There's the eyeballs. You got it? There he is. There he is. Whenever you're ready. Oh, he's staying right there. He's staying right there. Look at that. He's taunting us. Look at that.
Oh, yeah.
You gotta be kidding me. We got a big mountain lion. Oh my goodness. I don't even know where to start. Steve shot a warning shot. It's dark, and literally my headlight, my little teeny lead lenser headlight, was the only thing shining down there, and you can see green eyes, and we were almost positive it was mountain lion. I could see his tail. And Steve fired a shot, and he ran a few feet off to the side there and basically just started cowering again. He was getting ready to come and pounce again. Steve fired another shot, and we finished quartering the elk. We got the back straps out. Then we decided, even though there's not a lot of snow, we better walk down here. Steve, being an excellent marksman and God being very good, look at this. It's a female mountain lion. Right there. Steve thinks it might have went through the neck and out the shoulder. We're not quite sure.
I think that's the entry right there. I don't see an exit.
Okay, it went through like just the top of the shoulder at the base of the neck. Got an incredible tail on it. Obviously, I mean, we're not taking any chances. We're not poaching animals, but we're not goofing around either. And a mountain lion tries to come in and pounce on us while we're gutting an elk. But that is the mountain lion right there. "6:46 a.m. We got off the mountain probably around 10:45 p.m. My wife got us a hotel last night. We were able to shower, get a few hours of rest. It wasn't many. And we are en route to meet the DOW officer because we're supposed to take him up so he can get his mountain lion carcass. We just met 3 DOW officers, and we are en route to the mountain. We are actually taking them 2.5, 3 miles. We're hiking in with them so they can get the mountain lion. So adventure is just beginning here. Steve, what's the word?
We're in trouble. No. We got 3 game warnings on.
So we're up here with a couple of DOW officers that are very nice. They're coming to get the mountain lion carcass. Straight off Discovery Channel right there. Camera's getting fogged over, but we're almost to the elk carcass, the elk quarters, and the mountain lion carcass. It's a winter wonderland up here. Look at that. Walking in a winter wonderland. In the meadow we will find an elk carcass.
it'll be flanked by the carcass of a mountain lion. So we got back strap and one rear quarter out last night, and there's the other rear quarter and front quarters. There's my elk carcass. Mountain lion claws. Here we are. Got Officer Tom carrying the mountain lion. Look at all this. Elk. This is what it's like to pack out an elk in a snowstorm with a mountain lion in the Rocky Mountains. Woo!